I haven't traveled since Corona, period of Corona.
Okay.
I stop traveling.
You stopped traveling anywhere. Why?
I'm afraid, and
Ah,
with
really?
the actual war, I'm really afraid, and I was traveling in many countries, Arabic and West
Foreign.
كيش نقولوا
Foreign
foreign
countries.
countries, yes,
Very good. Like what? Tell me.
like
Which?
Spain, like
Really? I
France,
went to Spain
like
too.
yes, Miss Belgium,
Okay.
like Bosnia Herzegovina,
Wow, really?
yes.
So interesting.
Uh,
Okay.
Arabic for Arabic countries, Jordan, Morocco,
Wow.
um,
Wow. We call them Arab
uh,
countries. Okay. Arab
Arab countries.
countries.
Yes, Arab countries. That's
Yeah.
all.